Deputy Brigade Commander, Midshipman Commander Jake Banyares, First Class, Corps G1, Midshipman Commander Derek Ingwa, First Class, Corps G2, Midshipman Commander Emmanuel Reblora, First Class, Corps G3, Midshipman Commander Angeles Ilod, Corps G4, Major Leader Miss Aimee Asakra, Band Leader Mr. Lawrence Aseo, ROTC Company Commander Midshipman Commander Neil Jameson Lim, First Class, Company Commander. Company EXO Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Joseph Pura, Company EXO. First Platoon Leader Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Antonio Waldo, Second Class. Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Junel Lana, Second Class. Third Platoon Leader Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Jovan Ganera, Second Class. ROTC Sponsors Company Commander Midshipman Commander Donna May Desmonte, First Class. Company EXO Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Maria Johanna Chokson, Second Class. First Platoon Leader Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Maria Angelica Gallinero, Second Class. WATC Company Commander Midshipman Commander Jessa Karen Balde, First Class. Company EXO Midshipman Lieutenant Senior Grade Crisanta Murillo, Second Class. First Platoon Leader Midshipman Lieutenant Junior Grade Eunice Maybe Solo. Second Platoon Leader School Head Commodore Dante Lazaro Jimenez. Commandant Captain Steven James Dino. Band Director Mr. Noe Agravante. Major Senior Mr. Ande E. Campo. Mga tugang, entry number 16, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, hani po sa Rawis, Legazpi City. Entry number 16, Category 3. Last competing unit. Stand by for our awarding. Last competing unit. Entry number 16, Category 4. Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Rawis, Legazpi City.